Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be telling us how you can make $25 per day using Google News. Okay, this is a different method entirely, different from the previous video, this video. So now, without any further ado, let's just dive straight to the main tutorials for today on how to make $25 per day with Google News. Thank you. So in this video, I'm going to be giving us step by step on how you can monetize your blog, how you can also use Google News to analyze or to make money as a blogger. My name is Bumi, and I give you tips on how to make money online in a legit way. Okay, so keep watching to the end, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it out, and also leave your comments or questions in the comment section down there. Okay. Thank you. So my first step is going to be, we're going to go to Google News, and from there, you're going to see the remaining steps I'm going to be showing you in this video. Okay, stick to this video and let's dive to my computer. Thank you.
Lovers, you go to google.com and you type Google News in the Google search, okay, and it's going to bring us to this place. It's going to go news.google.com, okay, and you click on Google News. So when you come to Google News, you're going to see varieties of news, yeah, depending on your location. Okay, I'm in Canada. If you are in US, it's going to give you the news in US, the latest news in your community. Okay, so now it's best for you to choose a write-up that is suitable to yourself. Okay, if you are not in the health sector line, I would tell you not to write articles on health sector. And if you are not in the science department also, or a science professor or whatever, I will tell you not to go to science. So for this purpose of this write-up, I would encourage us to go for lifestyle, technology, or business. Okay. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to be writing for business. So under business, we have economy, we have markets, we have jobs, we have personal finance, and we have entrepreneur. Okay. So let's click on economy. So if you want to write blogs on economy, okay, you can write. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to click on personal finance. Okay. So the cost of keeping your independence in retirement could be $3,500 per month. Okay. So this is another news, right? Inflation ruining your life. Here are the 8. I think this is better. Inflation ruining your life. Here are the 8 ways to cut your cost of living. Okay. So I'm going to come to Google News, right? I'm going to click on this. I'm going to copy and paste it on my notepad. I'm going to be right back. So I already copied my write-up here. Okay? And I copied it on my notepad, right? So now I'm going to copy what I've written in this notepad. Remember, we don't want plagiarism, right? So I'm going to copy this and paste it in my spin boat. The news I copy from this news here, from Google News, I copy it to my notepad. Okay, and now I'm going to paste this. I'm going to copy this on my notepad. I'm going to bring it to the spin boat to avoid plagiarism. Okay, so now let's delete this. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to paste what I copied there, and 6,808 words. Okay, so now I'm going to spin it, basic spin, to rewrite it for me to avoid plagiarism. So I already did that, and I'm going to copy this. It is this write-up, this article, that is going to make us money on what I'm about to show you right away. Okay, it is this blog that is going to bring us money daily, $25 daily, or from up $25 upward daily. Okay, so you come to blogger.com, okay, and you click on blogger and you click create your blog. So it's very free. I already created my blog, so you follow the procedure. Let's see if it's going to allow me. Yeah, I already created my blog. But if you've not created your blog, okay, please just follow the procedure, and you're going to give your blog a name. It's very easy to sign up. Okay, I'm so sorry for this, this is the second time I'm filming this video. The first one did not save. So pardon me. Just go to www.bloggers.com. I'm going to put the link in the description box. Then follow the procedure and you sign up for your free blog. Okay. So as you can see, I posted this thing, but unfortunately, it did not save. So I have to do this video again. Thank you. So please support me by liking this video, subscribe, share out this video, and leave your questions in the comment section. Thank you. So now I'm going to create a new page. So this new page, I'm going to click on paste. I'm going to paste it here. This is my blog. Okay. So the topic for my blog, I need to bring it out here. I need to come here and put the topic for my blog, or the topic for my blog. I need to come to the Google News and write this is my topic. Okay. I'm going to put this topic, or I can go to Spinboat. That Spinboat to help me reframe it. So Spinboat is going to help me rephrase the question, the topic for me. So as you can see, expansion, diminishing your life. So this is my topic. I'm going to put this topic in my blog. Okay, and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to come to my blog, and I'm going to put a topic. Okay, and paste this topic. You can I'm going to bold it, right, and you can underline it if you want. You can give it I you can put this, then you can change the font type. Okay, you can change the font type and you can bold it. Okay, then also this blog, you can use it in several ways. You can use it for your product review. You can sell your affiliate link. Okay, like for example, if I want to sell my affiliate link, I can come here and sorry, I can I can come here and I would insert my link, but I'm not putting any link in this video, just an example. So the more articles you write, the better for us. Okay, so for this to look more beautiful, I can go to google.com and search for finance, or what's our topic again? Cost of living. I can click on cost of living. Cost of living. Okay, then I go to image. I look for a nice picture. I can put this. Then I copy the image. I come to my editing. Then from the beginning of this, I can just put my picture here and paste it. Okay, and so I'm going to enlarge this. I will enlarge it more. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to bold this right up. I'll bold it so that it will look more decent. Okay, and if you have your link, you can also add your link. I'm going to bold it and I'll be right back. As you can see, the article is really looking nice, right? And you can also add your link. If you're selling anything, you can look for some business affiliate link on your ClickBank or some other affiliate links also, and input your link inside this write up to earn money. Okay, so now we're going to publish it. We're going to publish it, and I'm going to be showing you something. Now our it's been published, so we can share it out. This is our blog. Okay, so as you can see, it's looking really nice, right? And we're going to come to this earning. This is the important place I want us to focus on. So I would advise us to write close to 50 to 70 blog and post here. And after posting, you can make it 200 to 500 or more words. Then after posting it here, you share to your loved one, you share it around. Even if you pick up a niche, you can post on Coral to increase your boosting your views and all that. And after posting the 50 to 70, which you can achieve under 1 month, if you will post 10, if you will post 10 articles per day. Okay, so you now come to Google AdSense and you're going to apply for it. I'm already on AdSense, so you can if you are on AdSense already, you can continue with your AdSense and you start getting paid. Okay, so now that is the way you're going to be making money.
As this method is very easy to go about it. All you need to do is you decide that every day you want to put up 10 blog every day. You have to post 10 blog every day. And it's not as if you are doing it yourself, right? You go to Google News, you search for the type of content you want to write or your niche on Google with Google News, and you select it, you take it to Spinboard, and you spin it. After spinning it, you now take it to your blog. Okay. And with that, by the time you do this for a whole month, which is 30 days, you would have gotten enough blog to monetize to apply for Google AdSense, and your blog is going to be monetized. And please do not forget to also share your blog around. Okay, you share it with your friends, you share it with people so that they can read it, because views also matters when sharing when applying for Google AdSense. They're going to check all that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment below any of your questions on this. And please do not forget, I have a WhatsApp community where we are going to be discussing about guidance on how to write an articles or any other online business related questions. You can join my Telegram group, or you can also join my WhatsApp group, the ones that suit you. Okay, everything is going to be in the description box. And thank you for watching up to this moment. See you in my next video.